Today I'm going to be installing magnetic paddle shifters so that you can change the sound when you shift from this to this. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be installing an exciting mod. It is a first for the E90X platform, and it is going to be magnetic carbon fiber paddle shifters from JQwerks. And these ones are genuine carbon fiber, as you can see. Magnets in the back, made by Madtrace. Even the little plus sign is cut out, which is neat. Sound for you. So very high quality click. Plug and play, as you can see. All you have to do is remove the steering airbag, and then we'll be able to swap out my old ones here. So here's a comparison. Here's what else comes inside the box. We've got 4 screws. If you're not a fan of the extended longer paddle shifters, they also include this for free, a shorter version of it. So you can just use the supplied screw that they give you, or Allen key, and you can put a shorter version of it on. But I like the extended paddle shifters, so I'm going to use the longer one so I can reach it better. They also give you 2 screws to be able to screw it onto the steering wheel, the OEM steering wheel. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get started on installing this. First thing you want to do is undo the battery, and then we can start removing the airbag over here. So I just got the airbag out, and if you need a in-depth video on how to do that, I'll put a link in the video up on the right hand top corner on how to do it in depth. But so far we've got the airbag out. Now we need to take these 2 bolts right here, and those are T25 bolts, so that's going to release the paddle shifters on each side. And then you also need to undo the wiring that connects to them, so it's these brown ones. Alright, got one of the paddles out. So here's the progress so far. Very easy to bolt on with the hex bolt that they provide, and then it's just plug and play, which I plugged it in already here. Let's do a comparison. So that's really nice tactile feedback when you shift compared to stock. Alright, so we have finished. Plus and minus paddle shifters have been installed. Now I'm going to go ahead and plug in everything and put the airbag back on, plug in the battery, and then take it for a test drive. Driving the M3, warming it up right now. You can definitely feel and hear the difference. Wow, sounds amazing. Let's try a downshift. Man, yeah, this is a complete night and day difference. Reminds me of my Logitech G29 steering wheel. That also has magnetic paddle shifters. It's kind of like a sim racing rig now, but you're in real life, driving your own car. You know, feels like a real race car now. totally changes the driving experience. I thought this car couldn't drive any better. I was wrong, actually. This mod totally is worth it. The ability to feel each tactile click as you upshift or downshift, the sound that it makes really adds to the driving experience. Man, reminds me of the sound of like a gated shifter, the click-clack sound. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the drive. If you like this kind of content, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a